My name's Elizabeth Murillo. When I was 5, my dad lost both of his kidneys. We thought he wasn't gonna make it. The medical assistants and the nurses that would take care of my dad were always so sweet and helpful. I wanted to do the same for somebody else's important person. I went to school to UEI about 6-7 years ago. When I was going to school, he got really sick, and it was either I drop or I take a leave to give him a kidney. So I took a leave for a month, gave him a kidney, and I said, okay, Dad, I gotta go back to school and finish. I came back with more strength to finish the medical program, mainly for my dad. I've always wanted to teach. I've always loved the medical field, and I've always had a passion for teaching. It's such a rewarding feeling to be able to have such impact on your students and on their career. It's priceless. I always tell them, I got you, and I will get you all the way. And we're not just teaching them how to make a drink or how to flip burgers. No, we're teaching them how to save lives, so that makes it even more rewarding for them. Every patient that we care for, it's someone's important person. Behind every amazing doctor, there's always an amazing medical assistant. We're the heart of healthcare.